You've studied for your exam, you got your commission, and now someone is sitting across from you with a document that needs an acknowledgement, and it's go time. That's exactly why we made this video. We're going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so the next time this moment comes, you'll be ready. Here's exactly how to do it. An acknowledgement is a notarial act where the signer appears before you and confirms that the signature on the document is theirs and that they signed it willingly. You're not verifying what's in the document. You're verifying who signed it and that nobody forced them to. That's what makes the acknowledgement what it is. You'll recognize it with wording like "acknowledged before me" or "personally appeared before me" on the certificate. And always use the certificate wording required by your state, not a generic version. Step 1. Personal appearance. The signer must be physically in front of you at the time of notarization. Not on the phone, not vouched for by someone in the hallway, in the room with you right now. Step 2. Before anything else happens, scan the document visually. Pay attention here. Check all the blanks are filled in. Make sure all pages are there. If the wording is missing, you'll need to complete a separate notarial certificate with the correct language and attach it to the document. Skip this check and the document can get rejected entirely. Once you've reviewed the document, you're ready for the signer. Step 3. Verify the signer's identity. Check their ID. Photo, physical description, signature, expiration date. Your state law specifies what forms of ID are acceptable. Know your state's list. If an ID isn't available, some states allow credible identifying witnesses, someone who personally knows the signer and can vouch for them to you. Check your state's rules on this. Step 4, the acknowledgement itself. This is the moment the whole act is built around. If the document is already signed, ask, is this your signature? And did you sign this of your own free will? Then compare the signature on the document to the one on their ID. They should match. If it hasn't been signed yet, watch as they sign it and compare the signature to the one on their ID. And if at any point the signer seems confused, hesitant, or pressured, stop. A notary who pauses the notarization in that moment is doing their job exactly correct. Step 5, record it in your journal. Even if your state doesn't require a journal, keep one. It is your record of what happened, when, and who was there. Log the date and time, type of notarization, document type and date, and the address. Add the signer's name and address, and note the ID used to verify them. Have the signer sign the journal, and if your state requires a thumbprint, now is when you get it. Step 6, complete the notarial certificate. This is the part that makes it official. Venue, state and county. Date, your name and title, notary public. The signer's name, your signature, and your seal. Every field is there for a reason. Together, they create a complete verified record of who was there and what happened. If you attached a separate certificate earlier, same fields, same process. Quick bonus tip, and this one surprises a lot of notaries. In many states, a signer can acknowledge a document they signed previously, even weeks or months ago, as long as they appear before you in person and confirm it's their signature. The signature doesn't have to happen in front of you for an acknowledgement to be valid. Check your state's rules on this. Comes up a lot more than you think. The next time a document lands on your desk with "acknowledged before me" on the certificate, you know exactly what to do. 6 steps, each one protecting the signer, the document, and your commission.